Ever dreamed of living beneath the waves like Aquaman? Dive in as we explore mind-blowing inventions that make underwater living a reality. Ever dreamed of flying underwater? A subwing ride makes it possible. This clever contraption, with two movable wings attached to a boat by a cable, lets you glide like a mermaid or a dolphin. Despite its simple look, the Subwing's design allows you to spin and twist with ease, even while using a scuba tank. It also features a special rope for a comfy one-handed grip, perfect for taking selfies as you glide at speeds up to 7.4 km/h, 4.6 mph. Capture every moment of this amazing experience, all for just $200. These gloves are a hit not just with divers but with kayakers too. Why? It's all in the smart design. They're long enough to slip comfortably under wetsuits, and with their Darkfin style, it's like your hands have grown by 70%. The latest model is tougher and warmer than ever, perfect for those long spearfishing adventures. The secret: a third micro layer of latex with cotton fiber that keeps your hands cozy in cold water. Ready to upgrade your gear? Grab a pair for just $37. Supa Huka revolutionizes scuba diving by keeping the air supply on the surface. No more heavy cylinders on your back. According to its creators, this is the innovation divers have been waiting for. With Supa Huka, you can dive up to 10 meters and stay underwater for up to 2 hours. It's powered by removable batteries and is compact enough to fit in a small suitcase, meeting major airline hand luggage requirements. Plus, it has USB ports for charging your smartphone or action camera. Ready to dive in? Supa Huka is available for $700. Experience the underwater world by walking instead of diving. This adventure is suitable for everyone aged 8 to over 80, making it accessible to all. Walk beneath the waves in stunning locations like the Bahamas, Curacao, the Philippines, and Guam. These tours typically last around 25 minutes, creating lasting impressions and memories. Photography and video recording are usually allowed so you can capture frame-worthy moments. Professional operators are available on request, and like any good tour, a guide will be with you. You'll wear Clara helmets, providing 3 times more air than usual and equalizing pressure to prevent any discomfort. The helmet design even lets you pinch your nose to unclog your ears, just like on an airplane. Plus, it keeps your head dry, so you don't need to remove your glasses or contacts. In Mexico, you can enjoy this unique underwater tour for just $79 per person. Don't let the name fool you. Ocean Guardian Freedom 7 isn't a TV show, but a cutting-edge shark repellent. Designed for versatility, it's ideal for activities like kayaking and snorkeling, boasting a range of about 6 meters and up to 6 hours of battery life on a single charge. This device targets sharks effectively using a special technology that impacts their sensory organ, the ampullae of Lorenzini, while leaving other fish undisturbed. It's reliable for various water adventures, though it's important to note its maximum working depth is 50 meters. With a price tag of $414, whether it's worth the investment depends on your peace of mind in the water. The MagicJet stands out for its compactness and power. This battery-operated underwater scooter weighs just 3.6 kg, easily manageable with one hand, allowing you to explore depths at 1.8 meters per second. With a full charge lasting 100 minutes, it ensures extended underwater adventures. One of its standout features is its positive buoyancy, ensuring the scooter won't sink if it slips from your grasp, even at depths deeper than 50 meters. For double the excitement, you can combine 2 scooters. However, the price may be surprising. A single MagicJet costs $800. Ready to dive into the future of underwater exploration? Delving into data from the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reveals some surprising facts. Did you know that sharks actually cause fewer deaths each year than cows? Despite this, shark defense remains a top concern. Meet eSpear, the world's first portable electronic shark repellent. Weighing just 250 grams, it operates effectively at depths of up to 100 meters and runs for up to 2 hours. By emitting an electromagnetic field within a compact 2.5 by 1 meter area, eSpear induces muscle spasms in any shark that ventures too close. Interested in trying out eSpear for yourself? It's priced at $300. Elevate your underwater safety with eSpear today. Prepare to be amazed, free diving enthusiasts. OXAMA isn't just a mask, it's a revolutionary blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. Imagine a hybrid creation combining a mask with 2 electronic modules, one that tracks light, depth, and speed, and another that monitors oxygen levels, heart rate, and even head tilt. What makes OXAMA truly exceptional is its use of bone conduction technology, delivering real-time data directly to the diver. It's the world's first smart mask to offer such seamless integration. Through its accompanying smartphone app, users have the power to customize their dive experience, choosing which metrics OXAMA communicates and setting personalized operation modes, such as updates every 15 seconds. Ready to dive deeper? Secure your OXAMA experience on Kickstarter for $540 and join the forefront of free diving innovation. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned hunter, the D&L 2 grip promises both accessibility and impressive performance. Here's why it stands out. Enhanced comfort featuring a longer stop, the D&L 2 ensures superior comfort during your hunts. Smooth trigger mechanism: enjoy a smoother trigger action compared to previous models, enhancing accuracy and ease of use. Laser Evo precision available in lengths starting at 50 cm, the Laser Evo guarantees exceptional hydrodynamics. Even fast-moving targets don't stand a chance. Priced at an intriguing $187, the D&L 2 is a curious investment for any hunting enthusiast. Ready to elevate your hunting experience? Discover the next-gen full-face snorkel mask. Snorkeling is all about soaking in the stunning underwater sights, and this mask delivers an incredible 180 deck view, minus 20% wider than many others out there. Comfort is key too. If water sneaks in, just tilt your head back from your snorkeling stance, and it effortlessly drains out through a clever chin valve. Crafted from medical-grade silicone and equipped with a pented Felch system for smooth, natural breathing, this mask weighs about 640 grams, yours for just $60. Introducing the Hydros Pro, a true game-changer in diving comfort and convenience, according to its creators. This buoyancy compensator is unlike any other, thanks to its innovative design. It combines the functionality of a vest with a modular BCD for life system, allowing easy customization for various diving needs. For instance, you can choose a lightweight version without a cargo system. In its size, it boasts a lifting capacity of 16.3 kg. What's more, the compensator itself is neutrally buoyant, ensuring optimal balance underwater. The Velcro-free, zipper-free strap system offers precise adjustments tailored to your body. But that's not all. Hydros Pro also transforms into a handy travel backpack for all your dive accessories. However, this level of innovation and versatility comes at a price, with a tag exceeding $2,000. Named after the brightest constellation in the sky, the Orion platform doesn't just shine, it thrives underwater. At its core is the DPX-1 shield case, empowering you to bring your tablet down to depths of 60 meters. For seamless interaction, there's the DPX-3 Dagger Stylus, designed to activate your screen effortlessly. Orion's creators embrace collaboration with third-party hardware and software manufacturers, ensuring versatility. Already compatible with both wired and wireless solutions, it simplifies tasks like monitoring vital signs, facilitating 3D modeling, and gathering environmental data such as water temperature and pressure. The shield case, accommodating tablets up to 11 inches, is priced at $249. Meet the OrcaTorch D630 V2.0 flashlight, a powerhouse with benefits as lengthy as its name. Firstly, it's a canister dive light, meaning its Lee head isn't integrated into the body, but connects to the batteries via a special cable. This design guarantees an exceptionally bright output of 4,000 lumens. Secondly, it's built tough with reinforced components like 4mm tempered glass that can handle dives down to 15 meters. Thirdly, its batteries keep shining for a solid 5 hours at maximum brightness. Factor in its protection systems against polarity issues, over-discharge, and overheating, and the $570 price tag feels totally justified. When you think of wingsuits, you probably picture exhilarating skydiving thrills. However, French designer Guillaume Barrard had a unique vision. He adapted the concept for the water. The result? The Oceanwings Nepal suit, recently showcased on screen, resembles something straight out of a Hollywood action movie set. But this garment captures attention with its futuristic design, blending functionality with high-octane style. Freediver PATHOS efforts in producing a mesmerizing video certainly paid off, highlighting the suit's dynamic potential in aquatic settings. Ever dreamed of exploring underwater without the heavy gear? The SCORKL lets you breathe underwater for 10 minutes, perfect for those intrigued by scuba diving but hesitant to invest in extensive equipment. Using it as a breeze, simply pump air into the compact tank with a hand pump. You can hold the tank with your teeth, keeping your hands free for other activities. For beginners, it's recommended to use the SCORKL at depths no deeper than 3 meters and limit use to 5 times a day. The concept's success has led to the release of SCORKL 2.0, featuring an integrated compressor powered by 1 or 2 18-volt batteries as needed. This innovative kit is priced at $200, making underwater exploration accessible and uncomplicated.